Hello students, today we are going to learn how to write a diary entry. Diary entry is an essential part of people. People use diaries to note down their special events, about their beautiful incidents, so that they can mesmerize them in future. That's why the main purpose of diary entry is just only to note down some beautiful events of life to mesmerize, to remember once again. Let's see. Diary writing. It is a personal way of writing something. It means the person writes the diary entry for himself only. None is going to read that. This is the main thing. The purpose of writing a diary is to record certain important events of the person who is writing the diary. So it is clearly understood now that a person uses the diary entry or diary to write down the main points, main incidents or important events of his life. We should not use here general things like our daily routine. I woke up in the morning and some others. There is no need to write them. If sometimes some special events are there, important events are there, diaries must be noted down. Many people have the habit to write the diaries every day. Why do people write diaries? People write diary entries just only for expressing their point of view about a particular event or incidents. Just as we discussed that only main important events, according to our eyes, according to our thinking, they must be noted down in diaries. It means whenever some incident happens, how do we look them? This is the main purpose of writing diaries. Expressing their own self means this is the thing where a person can use his own creativity, own feelings, own expressions just only for himself. None is going to read them. It means the diary entries are 100% personal. None is going to interfere in that. In that way, we can consider that diary entries are completely a secret writing part of our entries, of our life. Is that clear? So diary entries should be only for ourselves. None is going to read. That's why we can write any type of feeling about any person, any incident, any event in the form of diaries. Is that clear? So should we continue now? See, this is the format of diary entry. Now, this is the format of diary entry. See here how we are going to write. First of all, we should mention the date. Then after date, day must be there. After date, time we should use with AM, PM or hours. 12 hours, 14 hours, 16 hours or 4 PM, 10 AM in that way. Content should be started up. In the bottom, the writer's name, it is up to our choice. It is optional. Writer name is optional. There is otherwise no need to write the name of writer, because diaries are written for ourselves. And if we are writing for ourselves, there is no need to write the name of ourselves only. So in that way, to write the name at the bottom is not necessary. But if you are writing, it is not wrong. But we must try to avoid this thing. So this is the optional thing, and this optional thing we should not write. Is that clear? So there is only few things in the format: date, day and time. This format carries 1 mark out of 8. This question will be asked in the examination for 8 marks. Here 1 mark is for format, and in the format we will use only 3 things: date, day and time. If you want to take any one of them, either day or time, at the right hand side, you can take. There will be no problem. But we should start each and every next line with the left hand side. Is that clear? Should we continue now? We must remember some points to write a beautiful diary. Everything is just to enhance the skills. First of all, be creative. We must be creative to write down our points. Be imaginative. Imagination is needed everywhere. Be expressive in the writing. It means you have to express your ideas, what happened there. Not a single point must be left out while you are writing a diary entry. Is that clear? Write the incident as if you are actually the part of it. It means all the diary entry must be written in first form, first person. In the first person, it should start with I. It should start with I. Because with I only, we can use or we can involve ourselves in that. Always write in the first person narration. First person should be there. Just we have discussed that we should use with the I. Here is the point. Always write in the first person narration. Is that clear? So first person is necessary to write a good diary entry. Then, most importantly, daily activities are not to be mentioned. There is no need to use daily activities like I woke up in the morning, then I took my breakfast, then I went somewhere. There is no need to write. Diary entries are to be written only for some purpose, some meaningful incidents. Daily routine is not to be written. Next one is for good diary entry. Content can be started with exclamatory sentence. Now you can do that. To create some enthusiasm or some curiosity, some feelings, we should use exclamatory sentence in the beginning. Suppose the day was very beautiful. So we can say how beautiful the day was. Okay. The next one is mostly past tense is used. Reason? Because in diary entries, mostly we mention only the past incidents. If we are going to write future, so there would be only planning. Otherwise, only past tense must be used. And most important, it is a secret record. Means nobody is going to read it except you. So we must be honest. When we are writing a diary entry, we must be honest what we are writing. So these are some valuable points which must be remembered when we are going to write a good diary entry. But in most special here, if we are going to take it, it must be written in first person. Be creative, be expressive, mention only important activities. Okay, we can create a good feelings with the help of grammatical expressions like exclamatory sentence and others, and it is a secret record, so we must be honest, truthful for the entry for ourselves also. Next, we are going to take some discussion about the topic. See, here is the topic. Question is there. Taking help from the information given below, draft a diary entry describing how you caught a thief red-handed one night. So it is clear now. The question says that one day you were sleeping or you were at the home and you saw some thief and you caught him. Some value points are there, and most importantly, at maximum part, these value points are in the question mark you will find there. But be sure that you must complete without these value points so that you can express your ideas. But if these value points are in the question paper, you must remember that these value points are very helpful to write a beautiful diary entry. So you must use them. See, some value points are there as a beautiful evening. Now you will see that all are linked. A beautiful evening was there. The family had a nice dinner. The family took dinner in the evening, watched TV, went to sleep, but sleep was disturbed, heard some commotion, got suspicious, switched on the light. Parents also got up, found things in a mess. Someone had come there. The search began. None was found of. This is found. You must make it correct. This word is not found of. Here, in between A, O and 1, you must use here O. It is found. Is that clear? So, none was found at last. My eyes fell on the shoes behind a curtain. He was the thief. All pounced on him, caught, handed over the police. Now you can understand that all the value points are connected with each other systematically in the same way, in the proper process. You must note it down. The diary entries word limit is up to 150. So on 150 you must concentrate. As we have discussed the marking scheme, 1 marks for format, then 4 marks for your content and 3 marks for your expressions. Expression, grammatical accuracy, spellings, vocabulary, everything is for 3 marks. So now you are ready to write the diary entry. Follow the rules, follow all the points, and definitely we will get a beautiful diary entry. Thank you.